Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at 2026 What the Huck, which is a full 3D event. They're doing a spot landing here. So they'll climb to a certain altitude, cut their power, and then they have to land in that box. You can see that white box over there. So sit back, relax. It's going to be a lot of fun. And enjoy the flight. Now the engine is off. It's all momentum, ladies and gentlemen. He's getting close, he's getting close, he's getting close, he's getting close. Hey! He did it. Look at that. The proud papa right there, ladies and gentlemen. What can you say? Folks, we're going to call that What the Huck spot butter right there. What the Huck spot butter. Perfect landing, no power. And here goes number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Number 2, the last one I think actually, of the day. Oh, let's see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. Yay, look at that. Look at that. Nailed the box. Nailed the box. Great job. All right, friends, continue our coverage of the spot landing here at 2026 What the Huck. A great looking, looks like an edge. Or no, an extra, actually. Probably an extra. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Let's see what he's got. 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 Oh, holding off, holding off. Oh, not quite, ladies and gentlemen. Not quite, but very close. All right, looks like we got another one going up in the distance over there. Let's see what we've got going on. And the power is off. He's coming around for final. Might come a little short. Oh, he's got enough speed though. Let's see what happens. Up, he's getting close, getting close, getting close, getting close, getting close. Oh, overshoots the box, ladies and gentlemen. Overshoots the box. Good try, though. Good try. Very close. And that's it. All right, friends. More to come.